Hello everyone, it's Halima from Afghanistan. So I decided to make something simple that you can have in your refrigerator with some of the Normandy vegetables, which is the cauliflower and carrots. You can also add broccoli if you want. I just have potatoes, carrots, broccoli. Just added some tomatoes. What I did was I put a little bit of water. I cut up the carrots. I steamed it for 5 minutes. And then, of course, this was not that done yet. So then I added the cauliflower over the carrots, and I put in the microwave for another 5 minutes. Then it still actually needed more time. Then I added the potatoes cut up this big. And then I cooked the whole thing for 10 minutes. So basically the whole thing got cooked over like about 20 minutes. And then I took it out and I just added these ingredients. If you want to take a picture, I sprinkle a little bit of the olive oil, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, sprinkle some garlic powder, parsley, sea salt, like this is Himalayan salt, a bit of red pepper, and a little bit of turmeric, and a splash of Heinz vinegar. So we have, I guess these are the ingredients: the apple cider vinegar, olive oil, extra virgin oil, aged balsamic vinegar, parsley, turmeric, red pepper. Oh, I also added some black pepper. There you go. Black pepper. Sorry, this is the exact thing. And a little bit of this salt lick dry rub. So I know a bunch of spices, but this is delicious. You're not, like sauteing anything. You're not cooking. It's just steamed, and then adding all this. Just splash up a little bit of that, a little bit of that, and then you taste it, and then you mix it all up. The parsley is good for, keeping you full. You got the potatoes, good for your elasticity of your skin. The cauliflower, the carrots are good for your eyes, and then got the tomatoes. A little bit of red color is good for appetite. It's very easy to make, and you can put more or less depending on your taste. Just taste it. This is delicious. I've already had this for lunch and dinner, and I like it. So it's tangy, and the vinegar is good because it burns fat, and especially right now it's a good time to use that. You have like fat cells in your body, the vinegar will help. And apple cider, you can put a little bit in your drinks. So there you have it. Bon appetit. Enjoy these delicious vegetables. You can have them with a sandwich or by itself. It's like a full meal by itself even, You can add some garbanzo beans to this if you like. Or have it with some chicken or tofu. So, bon appetit. Thanks so much for watching my channel. I heard that they've come up with a cure in 6 days with the malaria medicine and a Z-Pack antibiotic. Knock on wood, if you get this virus, you're going to be cured. So there you go, no worries. Enjoy your life. All right, bye-bye.